I will establish an education reform task force in the presidency, which will be launched in the coming weeks. It will collect views from all players in line with the constitutional demand of public participation.
Nimehaririirie ya President William Ruto hede ya kuria mwihitwa akioya matamu ma utongoria wa bururi akiranira ni kwamura kamiti ya mwanya ya kuungania mawoni guthurima na kuheana mendekithia ma uria mutaratara wa CBC kwagirithio handu ha kuteaniria.
I am a boy.
President Ruto ni augire wira wa kamiti ino ni ugukorwo gikuruhania anyiti itemi matiganite sekta-ini ya githomo hamwe na aciari kuona namba nene ya aciari ni makoretwo makinegena kuma riria mutaratara uyu wambiriirie guku akiranira ati thirikari yake ndigateaniria mutaratara uyu wa CBC. Ndereti ikoretwo igitumura mawoni matiganite kuma kuri aciari na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo umuthi Kiama gia acabithia mabuku KPA makiuga ni manyitite undu uyu mbaru na ni makaheana mawoni mao wona kamiti iyo yombo na kwambiriria wira wayo.
We are ready as a Kenya Publishers Association to present a strong memorandum to the task force that will be appointed in the next few days. We have gathered, ideas. We have talked to others. We have talked to teachers. We have talked to fellow publishers.
And we welcome the new task force which is going to be put in place. And as publishers, we are ready to give our input.
Kiama giki kiugite mutaratara wa mathomo ni wagiriire guthurimwo mahinda kwa mahinda kuria maugite mutaratara wa CBC ndungiringithanio na mutaratara wa 844 makiuria muingi uthomithio makiria uhoro wigie mutaratara uyu amwe aciari mari na itemi nene hari mathomo ma mwana.
Intensive training of teachers so that they are able to fully understand CBC, to fully appreciate CBC, and therefore to deliver in a better way what CBC is all about to the learners. We also think that there is need for sensitization of the general public.
Andu aria makoragwo na wathe wa kuigwa ni maikitie muhwa wao ndereti-ini ino makiuria thirikari kumakuruhania kamiti-ini iyo ya mwanya niguo mugambo wao wiguikane na mendekithia mao makuo na uritu
na challenges nyingi muno tondu maretaga arutani aria matioe sign language riu ithuĩ tukaribwo ni uria tunge understand bunge murugamiriria atumia Kirinyaga ni gukorwo ngisukuma parliament getha ati watho koroho gukorwo na mandatory learning of sign language in all institutions.
Andu aya no mendekithitie mathomo na njira ya ciiko makuruhanio mutaratara-ini uyu niguo kuiganania ciana ciothe ki mathomo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.